If you have been following my channel, you know that I've been building my crypto portfolio with a variety of altcoins and various of projects that have a real use case and real utility in an industry that is set to blow up in this upcoming bull cycle. And if you haven't heard about this crypto narrative, make sure to keep watching because you do not want to miss this opportunity. And I'll even tell you how you can guarantee yourself an airdrop for free gains to boost your crypto portfolio. You've probably been hearing more and more about this industry called DePIN in crypto space. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. DePIN aims to solve problems in the real world by rewarding participants with incentives such as crypto tokens. But most of these projects require you to make an initial investment in a device in order to earn rewards. But the project that I'll be talking about today, you can start earning with just your phone. And the project is called Silencio. Silencio's main focus is building a global network to measure the amount of noise pollution in the society. People can record noises within their surroundings, and this data gets shared with the Silencio. Then in return, anyone that contributed data receives a reward in form of noise token. So this project basically pays you to share your data about noise pollution. You might ask, why does it even matter? It's not like that noise pollution can kill you, right? But noise pollution plays a significant role on our daily lives, such as unable to concentrate on your work, loss of sleep, and it can even elevate your blood pressure. Believe it or not, hearing loss is the second most prevalent health issue globally. Leading cause is not age, it's noise pollution. I did not even know this, that noise pollution can be this damaging for us. Noise pollution causes health problems for people and wildlife, both on land and in the sea. Noise pollution is not just a noisy city. It's all the cars that are in a traffic congestion. It's the planes, the trains that are going by, people that are using construction equipment, all the parties, the nightlife, and even your indoor heating equipment can create noise pollution. So Silencio's role in all of this is to collect noise analytics from all the users worldwide and sell this data to companies and institutions such as your city planners and even real estate companies. Other industries that can benefit from this data that is being sold are gastronomy, hospitality, health, and well-being to travel. So how do I get started and how can I start earning with Silencio? There are many different ways you can start earning with Silencio, such as your check-ins, referrals, minutes that are being measured of noise pollution, and even hexagon that are discovered and hexagon that are covered. First thing is first downloading the app and creating your profile, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into the app and I'll show you some features in the application. Now that we are logged into our Silencio app, we can see our dashboard and some features that are on here. So let's go through them so you can understand them better. If we go under sensors, it shows us the total amount of registered sensors in the network. Under uploads, the total amount of uploads that the community has contributed to the system. Under check-ins, it will tell us the total number of check-ins that took place. Number of hexagon that have been covered by the community. Now, if we go down to the hours uploaded, this will be the total number of hours that the community has contributed and uploaded to the application. And the last one, the noise coins, it will be all the number of coins that the community has generated so far. How do you actually go about measuring a noise pollution? Right down here, if we click on the vertical lines, the little button, it'll give us an option how to earn noise coins. We have a venue check-in and we have open measurements. If we click on open measurements, it will start measuring, but let's go ahead and look at some of the statistics. So for 1 minute measured, it will give you 0.5 or actual half of Silencio token. One hexagon covered will give you 0.25. For each hexagon you discover, you're going to get a half a token. And for each venue that you check in, you will receive 20 Silencio tokens. We also have referrals. 5% of their earnings will actually go to you. So if you want to measure or open a measurement, you'll simply click on open measurement and this will start measuring your noise. If we look up here, This is the tokens that you are receiving for every second. Now, if we want to end our measurement, we'll basically click down here on the end our measurement. And once we end our measurement, it'll tell us how many coins we have earned. We can see here that I have measured for 2 minutes and 49 seconds, and I have received 1.41 noise coins. One last step we can do is come down here and click on claim your coins. Once we click on that, congratulations, you have earned 1.41 tokens or coins, noise coins. And down here at the bottom we have claim bonus, so you can basically choose one of these. I'll go ahead and choose the middle one, and it will give you a multiplication bonus when you perform your measurement. And that is how easy it is to measure noise pollution. If we click on the second feature down below on the map, this feature will actually show you the map of hexagons that have been covered by the community, that the community has contributed to, meaning a noise measurement has been taken in this specific hexagon. The color means level of noise recorded in the hexagon area, and obviously green means a quieter noise pollution and red means louder. On the third icon down below, we have a trophy. If we go ahead and click on trophy, this will basically show you all the leagues that we have in the Silencio application. You are being placed in a league depending on how many coins you have earned relatively to everyone else in the community. The higher the league, the greater the bonus rewards you'll be getting in the future. The last icon that we have down at the bottom is the fourth icon, which is the human image. If we go ahead and click on that, right here we can see the stats on how many hexagons we have covered, discovered, how much time we have recorded, and so on and so forth. We also have quests here. If we go ahead and click on quests, we can see that we can earn noise coins by reaching different milestones in the application. The last icon that we have is at the top left, which are the 3 lines. If we click on that, this will basically give you all your dashboard, your history, your friends where you can refer, the Silencio Academy, and the roadmap and white paper. Keep in mind that Silencio is still in a beta mode, but once the actual project launches, all the beta users are going to be entitled to partake in a 3% beta airdrop. We are still early in this project. Silencio is still in the beta mode, and go ahead and use and contribute to this project and rank with all of these leagues. The higher you go, the better chance of higher airdrop that you can actually get. So what is my opinion on this particular project? Well, as you all know, I always look for projects to increase my crypto portfolio by participating in early and contributing to those projects and getting rewarded for it. Since Silencio project has not even launched yet, you are almost guaranteed yourself a reward if you participate. It's a pretty rare opportunity since the mission of Silencio is pretty unique, and it can really take off within the DePIN sector since it's gaining more and more traction day by day. And as always, please remember that none of this is financial advice. Do your own research before getting involved in any crypto projects. With that being said, all the links will be down in the description if you choose to participate in Silencio project. Feel free to leave me all your thoughts and questions down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.